Baby Glock outside the waistband. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to Three River Kydex. What I need you guys to do, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. There's 90% of you guys that actually watch me every day, but you don't subscribe. So please hit that bell icon, thumbs up, add some comments down below. I really appreciate your support. The Glock 26, 27, and 33 will fit inside this holster. This is a black Kydex outside the waistband holster. This is typically the way I build it. There are other options on the website, so you have to go to 3riverkydex.com and fill out the form and then put it in your cart and then hit go. All right, very simple. This is just a black .8 Kydex. If you want inside the waistband, I can make that for you as well. This happens to be a 1.5 inch belt loop, as you can see there. Fits really nice and comfortable on your right side. I could also make them left-sided if you are left-handed. It has a tensioner, so if you want to add tension to the pistol, you can. Nice clips in there, nice and tight. It's not going to fall out. Okay, you decide what type of how tight you want that. All right. So I not only made one, but I made two. So again, if you're interested in that, please go to the website as well. All right, guys. So what we're going to do today is we're going to build these holsters, and I need you guys to stick around till the end. guys, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below if you need one of these. Again, 26, 27, and 33. This holster will fit all three of them. It is the model Glock Gen 4. Gen 3 will also fit in here. Gen 5, that's where we have to do a little bit different because it has 2 slide releases on each side, but don't worry, I can make that for you as well. If you're interested in this, go to 3riverkydex.com, and as always guys, stay safe.